A remarkable performance, a remarkable venue for showcasing young Hong Kong talent. This is the Welcome Theatre, an exciting new performance space that is part of the Hong Kong Academy for Performing Arts expanded campus at Pok Fulham in a 19th century French mission building known as Bethany. This former sanatorium has been restored by the Academy to house its School of Film and Television. Dairy Farm, which owns Welcome, has sponsored the conversion of 2 historic cowsheds that stand adjacent to Bethany into the Welcome Theatre. The project marks Dairy Farm's 120th anniversary and reflects the company's long tradition of serving the community that started on this very site in 1886. The cowsheds, with their distinctive octagonal design, were built by the company soon after it was founded by Sir Patrick Manson, a Scottish surgeon, and 5 Hong Kong businessmen.